In this quick video, I'm gonna show you how to customize Shopify store theme. So this is the sample store I'm currently using, and now to customize this theme, I need to go to the sales channel section, and under it I'll find this online store. Just click on it, and then we need to go to the theme section, and you'll see the theme which you are currently using. If you want to customize it in Shopify editor, then for that click on customize, and you can start customizing text, images and different types of stuff on your theme. But if you want to go for different template, then just scroll down here and click on visit theme store, and then it will show you all the themes Shopify currently have, and you can just purchase any of the theme from here and you can start customizing that as well. But you can see this costs some money. If you want to filter it by free, then for that just click on free from here, and then you will see different types of free themes Shopify have. But I don't want to go for any theme, I just want to customize this default theme. So to customize it, we just need to click on customize, and now it will load that theme on your Shopify editor. So firstly we'll understand the interface. On the middle of your screen you'll see the preview of your website. So this is how your website is currently looking. And if you want to see the mobile view, because many of the users are currently using their websites on mobile, so to see that view we need to click on this mobile icon, and then it will show you the mobile view. If you want to edit anything on your mobile view, then you can do that while selecting your mobile view here. You can also switch to this full screen view, but I want to go back to my desktop view here. And now to customize anything on your page, just click on any of the section or any of the element, and now on the right hand panel, or depending on your screen size, you might see it on the left hand side, but on my screen I can see that on my right hand side. And now to customize this text, I can just select the text like this, and now I can type whatever I want here. So let's just type my channel name, and you can see that has been updated on my preview screen as well. What I recommend doing is, you can just select any of the section or any of the element here and just go through all of these options and see what it does on your site. So let's say I want to edit my product page now, then for that we need to switch our page, and to do that we need to click on this drop down arrow, and you'll see different types of pages your website currently have. So I want to edit my product page, I need to click on it, and under it I can see the default product page, and I can edit all of the stuff on my product page as well. And now let's just go back to my home page here. On my home page you can see there are different types of sections, such as this is announcement bar, this is the hero section, and under it I have this product section. And in case you want to rearrange these sections, then for that we have to go to the left hand panel, and you can see this is the header, and under it I have this announcement bar. And let's say I want to change the placement of this product page, I want to place it over my hero section. Then for that I just need to find that section on the left hand panel. So this is the featured collection, I just need to drag it and place it where I want it to. So I can just drag it and place it like this. Shopify themes comes with a pre-made sections, so in case you don't want to have any of the default section, then to delete it we just need to go to the left hand panel. So let's say I want to delete this FAQ section, then for that I need to find that here. So this is the FAQ section, I need to select it, and then next to it you'll see this trash can icon. Just click on it, and then that section will be deleted. If you want to add different section on your site, then for that go to the left hand panel, then click on add section, where you want to add your section. I want to add section below this hero section, so for that I'll just click on add section here, and now under it you'll see different types of sections. So I want to add a featured collection section, so this is the section I want to add. So I just need to select it, and now that section will be inserted on my site. If you want to customize anything on this section, then just select that section from here. Now on the right hand panel you can choose the collection, type, product count, so all of that stuff can be done from this right hand panel. So this is the basic customization settings you can done on Shopify. Now if I was a big help, can you like this video and subscribe my channel. For now, thanks for watching, bye bye.